It's Rakija, and I need a whole lot of it for what I'm about to make next. So we have a quince, dried figs from Croatia, fresh figs from Serbia, and this is the Rakija. So I'm gonna cut these up, put them in there, let them soak, and I'm gonna make spare ribs with it. So this is the beginning of it. This is the one that I'm using for cooking, so it's not gonna have as long of an age time as the one that I'm making for liqueur, which is next. So I seared the spare ribs with the seasonings in here till I got a nice golden brown, as you see here. That just helps it crispen up, gets rid of a lot of the fat as well. And then I topped it off with the quince, dried figs, fresh figs that were soaked for the past 4 days, and Rakija. This is gonna go in the oven for about 2.5 hours or so, but I'll let you know exactly in the recipe depending on how good it smells. I can always tell if food's cooked, seasoned right by the way it smells, but I will let you know. So I have the Rakija spare ribs going in. I put it on top of this sheet to make sure that no steam makes a mess. I've got it at 150, it's gonna cook for at least 2.5 hours.